Shrinking 3.1 and part 2. But this is a really important lesson. We're going to figure out exactly how to calculate scale factor. Just a little bit of review. We looked at scale factor with similar shapes. We talked about finding out we drew new rectangles, scale of 2.5, area of 1/4. Now, let's look at this. Rectangles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are similar. ABCD is standing straight up, and EFGH is turned. So looking at corresponding angles, D matches up with H. A matches up with E, so that one's just slightly turned. So 3 centimeters matches up with this right here, or 6.75. Here's how to calculate scale factor. Write this note down, please. To figure out scale factor, you take your image divided by your original. Again, you take your image divided by your original. So to figure out scale factor from this original to our image, we have two lengths that are corresponding. 3 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters. So I'm going to take 6.75 divided by 3. Breaking my calculator out, that would look like this. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. There we go. Got my calculator out. 6.75 divided by 3. Going from the smaller to the larger, I have a scale factor of 2.25. I'll write that in here, scale factor of 2.25. That means any length over here, I don't have it right here, but any length over here, I just multiply times 2.25. The opposite is the same. Any length over here, I can divide by 2.25 to get the length on the from the original. So again, I'll grab my calculator, and I'll take 9 centimeters divided by 2.25 to grab this missing length right here. So again, 9 divided by 2.25, and my missing length is 4. All right, the same goes true for triangles. Again, image divided by your original. All right, this is not turned. We have our original, we have our image. So 7.5 divided by 6, that's going to give us our scale factor of 1.25. So to figure out this missing length right here, 3 times 1.25, 3.75. And to figure out this missing length right here, 5 times 1.25, 6.25. And each of these are centimeters. All right. So for A, by what number do you multiply the length of side AB to get the side of DE? Well, we had to figure out scale factor. Again, we did that by image divided by original. Find the missing side lengths and angle measures. We already did that. So what I want you to do on this side right now, I want you to list a pair of similar shapes. Again, I want you to make sure that you count out each one. So for H, we have 3, we have 5. So 3, 5. And then I want you to also do that for the other rectangles to make sure that for J and for P, to make sure that they actually match up, and see if they match for the scale factor. But also for L, M, and N right here, do the height and then the base. So height and then one of the bases. Height and then the base. Triangle, same thing. Height, and then the base. Height, base, height, base. All right, and then we'll figure out scale factor. That's going to be important. And then we multiply the original times scale factor to see if that matches up with the image's lengths. So that's all. Very important lesson, but I shortened it down to a little over 5 minutes about how to solve for scale factor and how to use scale factor. Please make sure that you ask any additional questions, because this one I sped through, and I want to make sure that we ask some additional questions when we get back to class. Thanks, and have a great night.